Hey everybody, how are you guys doing today? So what I want to do today, a little project, is this is the back of my saddle, my tree hunting saddle. And we've got the molle clips going across right here. These molle clips are about 1.5 inches from thread to thread, but it's pretty tight. So what I want to do though is I want to put my Doyle's gear hoist on there. It's an automatic gear hoist. And basically what I want to do with that is this clip right here is 1 1/4 wide. I want to cut this down to 7/8 inch wide to be able to make it fit inside this groove here, because it does have quite a nice profile right here, so it hooks under. So we want that to be able to fit under there. So we're going to cut this down to 7/8, and I'm going to do that with the Dremel, and I'll show you how we're going to do it. All right, let's get to the project. Okay, so here's what we're going to need to do this project. We're going to need a vise of some type to hold your bracket once we take it off so you can cut it. Got a screwdriver Phillips head bit, so you can take out the screw that is in the middle of the Doyle's bracket. And I've got my Dremel tool with a metal cutoff wheel on it. So let's take this bracket off. Phillips head screw, take it off. And you can decide what way you want to have it on your Doyles. When you've got it, you can go with the retractor up to the side, to the back, or down. Alright, so we're going to put this into the vise. What I've done is I've already marked it right here. I've taken off this is 1 1/4. I want to make this 7/8, so I've taken off 3/16 from each side. And this is the back side. So I want to go all the way to this little line right here, right where it bends, and then I'll cut all the way around on both sides here and all the way through this part right here. Okay, so we're going to make our first cuts. We're going to go right here, and then we're going to go right here, and we're going to go to those lines. I've also got my safety glasses on. So now I had this dowel rod in here just to keep that lifted up a little bit so I could cut through. But as you can see, now we are down to 7/8. And I'm just going to go back in here and clean this all up, all these edges, with a little sandpaper and a file. So that's what we're going to do, and then we'll put it back on. But it turns out pretty good. So I've put it back on now, and you can see these are the two little pieces that we had coming off, that we cut off each side. And now it is on there with a 7/8 inch wide, and it fits beautifully into the molle clips now. I put a bit of black primer paint on there, and we're good to go. I may camouflage this, I haven't decided yet, but all done. quick and simple project. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you wouldn't mind. Trying to get up to that 100. Having fun with these videos. See you guys later. Bye-bye.